Hello, my name is Ghulam Shabir. I am assistant professor in Zoology at Govt Degree College Shadadpur. आज हम जो डिस्कस करना जा रहे हैं वो है न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लेनेरिया, यानी कि प्लेनेरिया के अंदर न्यूट्रिशन का अमल। अब प्लेनेरिया खुद क्या है? प्लेनेरिया एक किस्म का फ्लैट वर्म है। फ्लैट वर्म इसलिए कहते हैं इसको क्योंकि इसकी बॉडी जो है वो डार्सोवेंट्रली कंप्रेस है, इसलिए इसको आमतौर पर हम फ्लैट वर्म कहते हैं। इसका दूसरा नाम रोजेशिया भी है और ये इसका जो ताल्लुक है वो है फाइलम प्लेटी हेलमिंथस यानी फ्लैट वर्म। ज्यादातर जो प्लेटी हेलमिंथस जो फाइलम है उसमें एंडोपैरासाइट्स आते हैं, लेकिन ये जो है ये फ्री लिविंग है यानी कार्निवोर है। फ्री लिविंग है, पैरासाइट नहीं है और ये हैबिट ऑफ फीडिंग के लिहाज से कार्निवोरस है क्योंकि इट फीड्स अपॉन वर्म्स ऑफ अदर डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स, crustaceans, snails as a molluscans, and also dead animal debris. Now, this point, free living, flatworm, carnivorous, because it feeds upon worms, crustaceans, snails, and dead animal debris. Now, way of its attack on its prey is that it entangles, means catches or holds the prey victim with a slimy secretion. It's a sticky type of secretion, slime secretion. Entangles means it catches its prey, means it's a victim by mucus. This secretion produced by certain mucus glands. If we see its mouth is situated in the mid-ventral surface, and mouth is at mid-ventral surface, but there is a pharynx which is everted or protruded, and it helps to seize the prey. Everted pharynx seizes the prey and withdrawn into a pharyngeal sheath. You know, this is a pharynx and this is the pharyngeal sheath. This pharynx is withdrawn, means comes out into the pharyngeal sheath. And pharynx, pharyngeal sheath, in pharyngeal sheath, their extracellular digestion starts. But how this digestion starts in pharyngeal sheath? By the pumping action of the pharynx, and also there are enzymes which help in digestion in the pharynx. So pharynx, everted pharynx helps in a partial digestion. This partially digested food when opens into the pharynx opens into the intestine, this partially digested food enters into the intestine. But one characteristic of its intestine is that its intestine is a very branching type. It has three main branches. One anterior branch, this goes from here, anterior branch, and two lateral branches. These are three branches of the intestine, in which intestine is divided. But also each branch you see here that each branch is further divided, or you may say it's ramified into more branches, and these more branches they do not open outside, they are blindly ended and deeply penetrated in the tissues, so that this is called diverticula. These ramified branches called diverticula. Diverticula function is to increase surface area for digestion, for absorption and distribution of the digested or soluble food. Now you see that One anterior I showed you, and two lateral I showed you. These two lateral branches of intestine ramified into many numerous branches, blindly ended and deeply penetrated into the tissues called the diverticula, and its function I told you that they are throughout the bodies, and so they increase the surface area for digestion, absorption and distribution of food. So now we see that partially digested food is now taken up by the lining of the diverticula. Suppose these are the lining of the diverticula, the cells in the lining of diverticula take into the food. Now where digestion is now completed, this digested food, completed digested food in the lining, in the cells of lining of the diverticula. Now you see that if food was digested inside the intestinal lumen, that was extracellular digestion. But now when the food is taken into the cells lining the diverticula, where the food is completely digested, is called intracellular digestion. It means both types of digestion, extracellular and intracellular digestion, both types of digestion occurs in the planaria. So you see that this in turn diffuses into the mesenchyma cells, and mesenchyma cells in tissue spaces distribute this digested and absorbed food to each body cell. One thing we have noted that now the digested food taken into the diffused into the mesenchyma cells, which distribute it throughout the cells. It means here this planaria also, like Hydra, has a sac-like digestive system. Sac-like. It's not still tube-like. Although these animals belongs to a group Planaria, which is a complex animal body than the Cnidaria, because their evolutionary point of view have progressed in this regard. So also digestive system is also progressed in this system than the Hydra. Thank you.